Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are diving into the world of classy dinner dresses, the perfect attire for those special evenings where you want to look elegant, sophisticated, and effortlessly stylish. Whether it's a formal dinner, a romantic date, or a celebration with friends, having a go to classy dinner dress in your wardrobe is essential. Let's explore some stunning options that will have you feeling confident and chic as you step out for your next evening event. No discussion about classy dinner dresses would be completed without mentioning the iconic little black dress. The LBD is a timeless classic that never goes out of style. Opt for a dress with the flattering silhouette, whether it's a fitted sheath, an A-line cut, or a wrap style. A simple black dress can be elevated with statement accessories like a pair of dazzling earrings, a bold red lip, and sleek stiletto heels for a touch of sophistication. Choose a dress with subtle details like lace accents, a modest neckline, or a slight slit at the hem. Satin dresses exude luxury and elegance, making them a perfect choice for a classy dinner. The soft, silky texture of satin catches the light beautifully, giving you a radiant glow. Choose a slip dress or a bias cut satin gown in rich colors like emerald green, deep burgundy, or classic navy. The fluidity of satin fabric drapes beautifully over your curves, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. Pair your satin dress with delicate jewelry and strappy heels for an effortlessly chic ensemble. Off-shoulder dresses add a touch of romance and femininity to your dinner outfit. This style is perfect for showcasing your décolletage while keeping the look elegant and refined. Opt for an off-shoulder dress with a fitted bodice and a flowing skirt for a balanced silhouette. You can choose between you can choose between a classic monochrome dress or go for one with a floral or metallic print. Complete the look with a statement necklace or chandelier earrings and a sleek updo to accentuate your neckline. Midi dresses strike the perfect balance between sophistication and modernity. The length, which falls below the knee but above the ankle, is universally flattering and appropriate for a wide range of dinner occasions. Opt for a midi dress with a fitted bodice and a flared skirt for a classic look, or choose a bodycon midi dress for a more contemporary vibe. Patterns like polka dots, stripes, or subtle florals can add a playful touch, while solid colors like royal blue, plum, or blush pink keep it elegant. Pair your midi dress with pointy toe heels and a structured clutch for a polished finish. Velvet is a luxurious fabric that adds depth and richness to any outfit. A velvet dress is perfect for winter or evening dinner, offering warmth and elegance. Opt for a dress in a rich jewel tone like ruby red, sapphire blue, or emerald green. A simple velvet sheath dress can be paired with metallic accessories for a chic look, or you can go for a wrap style velvet dress with a deep V neckline for a more dramatic effect. Finish the look with a pair of statement heels and a velvet or satin clutch. High neck dresses exude sophistication and are perfect for formal dinner occasions. This style elongates the neck and adds an air of elegance to your overall look. Opt for a high neck dress in a form-fitting silhouette to balance the covered neckline with a sleek modern shape. Lace, chiffon, or silk fabrics work beautifully with this style, adding texture and interest. Keep your hair sleek and simple and let the dress be the star of the show. Pair with minimalistic jewelry and classic pumps for a refined look. Wrap dresses are versatile and flattering, making them a great option for a classy dinner. The wrap style cinches at the waist, creating an hourglass silhouette that's both comfortable and stylish. For formal dinners or black tie events, a floor length gown is the epitome of elegance. Choose a gown with clean lines and minimal embellishments for a timeless look. A simple yet stunning gown in a solid color like black, navy, or burgundy can make a powerful statement. One shoulder dresses are a stylish and modern choice for a classy dinner. Thank you for watching Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this guide has inspired you to find the perfect dress for your next classy dinner. Okay, and if you loved these outfit ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration and styling tips. Let us know in the comments which dinner dress style is your favorite, or share your own classy dinner outfit ideas. We will see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye for now.